Can you imagine, though, like being forced to watch that for the rest of your life? Oh, baby, that's some kind of hell. That's a nondescript box. That's a white box. There's no label, no nothing. It's Willie Doo. He gave me like an idea of what it is, but I haven't seen it yet. I know it's very fancy. I know it's very special. I know it's probably very expensive, but I don't even know if we've got an official price on it because my understanding is that this thing is just over the top custom. I'm not sure that you can buy it. It's a custom phone. I believe it's an iPhone. Ultra luxury is about to happen in this nondescript box. So here we go. Okay. Well, that's a logo. Not that I know what it means. It looks luxurious, though. Interlocking, universal, cosmic, unlock the gate, never-ending story type of emblem. Now, how do I just... Oh, all right. So here we have a brand on the back. Golden Concept Sweden. Holy moly, this came all the way from Sweden. How special. Is this a wooden... Oh, man. A leather cover that's lined with velvet. Beautiful wooden box. Oh, man. It's like some sort of mahogany, polished. This is where you would typically find a fine watch or a fine piece of jewelry. Jack, we need to be careful. Okay, here we go. I'm doing this for you, right here. Ooh. An envelope first with... What? Oh, my goodness. Hang on a minute. Oh, this is officially the craziest iPhone I've ever looked at, had. That is three-dimensional. This golden skull, diamond rose eyeballs, and some sort of reptile leather crocodile, and gold plating around the actual phone, real crocodile. This is the most luxurious iPhone on planet Earth. Imagine pulling this thing out. Like, it's not even a big deal. You're like, oh yeah, I got a phone call. Oh, man. Now, it is heavy as well. I don't know, is there real gold on here, Will? There must be. Got the Golden Concept logo at the bottom, Sweden. I feel like there's some gold in here. It smells like cologne. Oh, this lifts out. Ah, very nice presentation once again. Power brick, charge cable, ear pods for Unbox Therapy. Louis Hilsentegger, that of course is me, signed off by the CEO of the company. This is the first and only sample of our new skeleton edition soon to be launched. This unique iPhone XS Max is handmade by our master craftsmen to obtain the most beautiful finish imaginable. With a unique blend of the finest materials such as 110 grams of 18 karat gold, 137 pieces of diamond, and alligator leather, this item will cost around 25,000 USD. Dude put 25 grand in the mail. That's a $25,000 phone. Do you even feel comfortable carrying this? I don't know. To keep your product looking its best for a long time, we recommend you follow this advice. Avoid contact with water, grease, perfume, and cosmetics. Prolonged exposure to heat, strong sources of light. Don't keep it anywhere too warm, humid, or unventilated. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the most expensive smartphone ever on Unbox Therapy. It's not for everyone. It is not to be compared with your average run-of-the-mill smartphone because this has taken on some different form at this point. Yes, there's a smartphone in here, but it has now become a piece of art. A completely unique piece of craftsmanship. You look at something like this, look at time. I don't know where to begin. I guess we should boot it up and make sure. It's got to be a phone still, otherwise, what's the point of all that? So, as you can tell, iPhone XS Max, it does what an iPhone does. This is where it does what an iPhone typically doesn't do, which is scare you. Hence the skull. Typing on it is kind of nice. With the added weight, it feels super sturdy. There it is, you saw it. I don't know if it's the most expensive phone on planet Earth, but it's the most expensive phone ever featured here on Unbox Therapy. Something like this retail for around 25,000 USD. Now, of course, you're paying for the materials here, right? You're paying for 110 grams of 18 karat gold and 137 pieces of diamonds, and of course, the alligator leather. It's a luxury item. It's a bit of fun for somebody who's run out of fun. Yeah, I think it is.
This episode is brought to you by NordVPN. We've all been using it at Unbox Therapy and we all dig it. The app is really intuitive. It just makes using a VPN super simple. You could check out the world map, choose a location, or quickly connect. Now Nord has over 3,000 servers in 59 different countries. But the best part is that they add new servers every week, so it's hard for streaming platforms to block them. That means you can always watch what you want regardless of your region. You can keep a list of your favorite servers and have up to 6 simultaneous connections. Right now you can get 75% off with our promo code. Check out the links below.